Hello student, welcome to my class. My name is Ajay Singh and working as a TGT work experience and ATL in charge in Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2 Eklingarh Udaipur. I hope you will enjoy the class. Now let's begin the session. In this session, we will discuss about what is 3D printing technology, different parts of a 3D printer, how does a 3D printer work, 3D printing materials, application of 3D printing, current progress and future scopes of 3D printing technology, CAD software and slicing, how to print a 3D model in a 3D printer. So let's just get started with 3D printing. 3D printing is a combination of digital design and additive manufacturing. Digital design has two steps: computer aided design and slicing. Additive manufacturing is the process employed by the 3D printer. 3D printer deposits consecutive layers of material until the 3D object is completed. This is called additive manufacturing. Now 3D printing in news. The reason behind discussing 3D printing in news is to understand current progress and future scopes of 3D printing technology. Here is a news about first 3D printed commercial building. Nowadays, 3D printing technology being used in constructions of buildings, roads, bridges, etc. Next news is about 3D scanners, which are being used by the Gujarat police for scanning crime scenes in 3D. In next picture, you can see first 3D printed car. Now moving on next news, the 3D printed shelters for astronauts on Mars designed by NASA, you can see over here. Next is a student of Ithaca College has designed a 3D printed prosthetic hand. Now moving on next news. Here you can see a 3D printed light bike. Next is Pandorum Technology designed first human liver tissue in India. Now moving on next news. Several universities are designing face shield using 3D printing and ventilator splitters that can allow a single ventilator to be used by 2 to 4 patients for COVID-19 treatment. Next news is HP is manufacturing 1.2 lakh ventilators using 3D printing technology to overcome COVID-19 pandemic. Now moving on next news, 3D printed artificial tissue that can heal bone and can increase the career of athletes. Next is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and Wipro are manufacturing 3D aerospace components using metal additive manufacturing. Now we will discuss about 3D printing process. So first of all, computer aided model is designed in 3D modeling software. Then the 3D model is saved as .stl file. Then .stl file is converted to .g-code file using slicer. Now the .g-code file is fed to 3D printer. Then 3D printer converts .g-code file into a physical object. Now 3D modeling software. 3D modeling software are used for designing of 3D digital model. There are so many paid and open source softwares are available. For beginners, Tinkercad is user-friendly and open source learning platform, which works in browser, so there is no need of installation. This is Tinkercad user interface. You can see over here. For more details about Tinkercad and how to design a 3D model in Tinkercad, we will learn in separate session. Now moving on slicing. Slicing is the process which converts 3D model into hundreds of consecutive horizontal layers. 3D printer can print only sliced version of 3D model. Here you can see this is our 3D CAD model designed in CAD software. And this is our sliced version of 3D model having layers. And this is how 3D printer prints the sliced version layer by layer. Now Automaker Cura. Cura is an open source easy to use slicing software. It is used for converting 3D.stl model into a sliced version or .g code file. This is the user interface of Automaker Cura. Here you can select the material ABS, PLA or nylon. Here you can select the layer height. Here you can select the infill percentage from 0 to 100. You can generate support by marking on this checkbox. Now we will discuss about what are the different steps in slicing. First of all, open slicing software and select your printer. Then select the material which you are using in printing. Now select the layer height. If you decrease the layer height, the quality and finishing of the object improved, but it will take more time in printing. Here you can see 3 pots A, B and C printed at different layer heights. When moving from A to C, layer height is decreased, but the time of printing increased. Finishing and quality of the pot also improved. Now moving on, step number 4, import the .stl file that you want to print. Now step number 5, resize the object or move the object so that it can be fit inside the build volume. Now step number 6, select the infill percentage. Here you can see different infill percentage. 100% filled means complete solid. 0% filled means totally empty. Now you can see if you increase the infill percentage, more material is consumed, but build quality is improved. Now step number 7, support structures. Hanging part of an object requires support structures, so we have to insert support structures. The frog has 2 hanging parts, so 2 support structures are required. After printing the whole object, these support structures are removed. You can see in second image. Now moving on to step 6. Now file is ready for slicing. So click on save button and save file as .g code. Now moving on 3D printer parts. First is filament. Filament is made of ABS, PLA or nylon. It is melted in 3D printer and get the shape of object. Now extruder. Extruder feed the filament in hot end. Now print head. Print head moves in all directions or print the object. Now hot end. Hot end is the heating element of 3D printer. Filament is melted in hot end. Now moving on nozzle. Nozzle is a tip of hot end from where melted material comes out. Now cooling pan. Cooling pan cool the material that comes out from nozzle and deposit it on printing bed. Now printing bed. Printing bed keeps the plastic warm during printing process and prevent it from warping. Now 3D print. This is our final output, that is physical object. Print display. Print display provide interface to user. Now build area. Build area is the maximum size of the object that can be printed in that 3D printer. We have already discussed about these 3D printer part, so let's move ahead. Now working of 3D printer. When the print job is started, hot end start to heat up. The extruder pull the filament into hot end. Then the melted material comes out from the nozzle and the print head moves in all directions and deposit the material on the hot bed. Now we are discuss about what are the steps in 3D printing. So first of all, you have to think about your model. Then design your model using any of CAD software. Now save your file as .stl. Now import your file in Slicer. Now make the settings in Slicer for printing. Now save your file as .g code. Then copy your code in SD card. Then insert your card in your printer and start the printer. Now load the filament in printer. Finally give the command to printer to print the model. These are the 10 steps for 3D printing. So you have to follow these steps in sequence to print any object in 3D printer. Now moving on, 3D printing materials. Here are some materials that are mostly being used in 3D printing. So first is plastic. That may be nylon, polyamide, ABS, PLA and laywood. Second is paper. Third is metal. Fourth is biomaterials. Fifth is ceramics. Sixth is food materials. These materials may be in the form of powder, filaments, pellets, granules, and resins. Here ABS stands for acrylonitrile butadiene styrene and PLA stands for polylactic acid. Now applications of 3D printing. Here you can see some areas where 3D printing technology is being used for making of physical models. In organ and tooth printing, automobiles, aerospace, art design and sculpture, architecture, fashion, food and jewelry. Here are some safety measures that you should follow while working with 3D printer. As you know, some parts of 3D printer are very hot during printing process. So you should not touch the printer while it is printing. And don't touch the printed object immediately. Teacher supervision is required when students are working with 3D printer. There must be a proper work environment and room with ventilation. Wear mask, goggles and gloves while you are working with 3D printer. For further readings, you may visit these websites. Now session is ended. Thanks for watching.